Have you ever pondered the power of the sun and how its temper tantrums, known as solar storms, can affect our very own Earth? Let's embark on this journey of cosmic proportions together. Solar storms, or solar flares, are colossal explosions on the sun's surface. They catapult billions of tons of charged particles into space at speeds of millions of miles per hour. This cosmic spectacle is not just a treat for the eyes, but it sets the stage for a series of events that can dramatically impact our planet. The first wave of a solar storm, known as a solar flare, can reach Earth in just 8 minutes. Yes, you heard right, 8 minutes. This high-energy radiation can play havoc with our satellite systems, disrupting communications and navigation systems. Imagine your GPS leading you to a dead end, or your satellite TV signal fizzling out in the middle of your favorite show. That's the power of a solar storm. Following the solar flare is the coronal mass ejection, or CME. This slower, denser wave of charged particles takes a day or two to reach Earth. When it does, it collides with our planet's magnetic field, creating dazzling auroras that paint the night sky in hues of green and red. But don't be fooled by their beauty. These celestial fireworks can trigger geomagnetic storms that can overcharge power grids, potentially leading to widespread blackouts. And lastly, high-energy particles, the final part of a solar storm, can create radiation storms that are particularly dangerous for astronauts and air travelers. These particles can also damage the delicate electronics on board satellites. So, to summarize, solar storms start with a bang on the sun's surface, sending waves of charged particles towards Earth. The first wave, the solar flare, can disrupt satellites in just 8 minutes. The second wave, the coronal mass ejection, creates beautiful auroras and potentially devastating geomagnetic storms. And finally, high-energy particles can create radiation storms that pose a threat to humans in space and high altitudes. From a sunlit day to a potentially dark night, the effects of solar storms are something to marvel at and respect. They remind us of the power of nature, even when it comes from 93 million miles away. This is the fascinating and slightly terrifying tale of solar storms. So the next time you bask in the warmth of the sun, remember the fiery tempest it can unleash.